Hello folks, so today I have these king oyster mushrooms that I got from my local supermarket, and I'm gonna just make a curry mushroom with butter bean. Yeah, this is gonna be a vegan dish, 100% vegan dish, and every now and then you need to do a straight plant-based meal, or a couple, so that you can also reset your stomach, from the meat and the animal protein. So these are all the ingredients that I have here. Yes, as you can see, it's a whole host of stuff, and we're gonna get started right now. Yes, man. The first thing you want to do is you want to add your mushroom to some coconut oil and start to saute. All right. Normally what I would do is burn the curry before, but I just never remember to do it that way. So here we're going to do it this way. We're going to add the mushroom to the oil, and then after which we're going to add our curry and quickly do a saute. That way the curry can burn in a little bit and of course flavor the mushroom as we go along. And of course, guys, the king mushroom, it really and truly works in this very versatile way, and it gives you a nice look. The color is good, so it's nice for use because it's not brown, it's not dark color like for instance a portobello, So you want to saute this, and as you saute now, you want to start adding your flavors. You can embellish it with whatever you so choose. I'm using these specific ingredients. You can use what you so choose, and we just keep adding to create the flavor as we go along. I promise you the way all the house smell good. I'm adding a little water here to deglaze the pan, and we're gonna move along. I'm gonna also add coconut milk to this, but the water works for now. You don't want really, you want it to be nice, and you want the coconut milk to come in at the right time. So my carrots and my celery is adding now. My onion is adding in now. And guys, I tell you, this is a quick dish. It works so good. It come off so fast. As soon as that water has dried down a little bit, you're gonna want to start to think about your coconut milk, reconstituting some coconut milk. And of course, you can use the fresh coconut from the actual plant. I'm using this Grace coconut powder, and just add some hot water to it and make it into coconut milk. All right, and you want to add your coconut milk to the stew, and then I have these herbs, German sage, cilantro, parsley, thyme, all the different herbs you can think about. I have them. You just want to chop them up finely and add them to your pot. And guys, the dish is almost done now. You just add in your herbs to do a final, and then you cover the pot and allow it to stew down nicely. You want the mushroom to be somewhere between, crunchy, but at the same time you want it to have, the idea that it's cooked. So you want it to feel like probably chicken breasts in your mouth when you're eating it. So that's where you want to just make sure you cook it to your desired texture, and then you're good to go from there. Maybe a scotch bonnet pepper, maybe add a little piece. Yeah, man, I tell you guys, the way the house smell good, me not tell no lie. Trust me. And there is my green onion to finish up. And guys, I promise you, this curry mushroom, I'm going to also add my butter beans now. This curry mushroom is a winner. I have to go back at the store and buy more because I really want this recipe again. Yeah, it was really, really good. Me not tell no lie. You can try it in your neck of the woods. Curry mushroom. Yeah, man. Trust me. Really, really work out. And of course, I'm going to show you the finished dish right now. And guys, when you see it, you're going to love it. I paired it with some brown rice and also some avocado and some tomato. And just a nice weekday dinner. Yeah. And I promise you guys, you have to try this. Look at this. Look at this. Yeah, man. You have to try this in your neck of the woods. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to Yardie TV for more dish like these. We have a whole vegan playlist. You can follow us on TikTok, on Instagram, all socials at Yardie TV. And remember, guys, live and laugh, cook, and eat vegan food every now and then. Yardie TV says so.